Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use a format painter in Google Docs. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So I have prepared this Google Docs for you. And as you can see from here, we have this first paragraph with this format and the second paragraph with this format. So we are going to change the second paragraph like the format of the first paragraph by choosing the format painter option. So here is the format painter or paint format option. Okay, paint format. So what we can do is we just need to select the first paragraph and then click on paint format. And then let's choose the second paragraph. So as you can see, the painter sign is coming up with the cursor. And then let's drag this to the second paragraph. And that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So, and then if I also want to change the format of the first paragraph with the format of the second paragraph, so we just have to choose the second paragraph and then click on the paint format icon, this one, and then paint or drag the cursor with the paint format icon on the first paragraph. And that's it. That's how you can easily use the paint format option on your Google Docs. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.